Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to set up Python and pip on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal. Ubuntu 26.04 LTS usually comes with Python 3.14.4 pre-installed. At first, check this using this command python 3-version. That's it. And also check pip whether it installed or not. Pip is not installed. Okay. At first, update your system using this command with sudo privilege sudo apt update, then hit enter. Now enter the password, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system, and then I am going to install pip with python, then hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter to continue installation. And then install venv module with python. Type Y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while. Now verify the installation using this command pip --version. That's it. Pip 25.1.1 installed successfully with Python 3.14. Okay. Now I am going to create a virtual environment. At first, I am going to navigate to my desktop and create a directory using this command make directory command. Then navigate to this directory. Okay. Now I am going to create a virtual environment project using this command with Python 3 using venv module. I am going to name the project venv virtual environment project. It may take a while for creating. That's it. Now I am going to activate this virtual environment using this command. If you see this, that means virtual environment activated. Okay. Now install packages freely using pip like this. That's it. If you want to deactivate the Python virtual environment, simply write deactivate. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.